Hey, good people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever I am reaching you at this moment. My name remains Silvanus Ogbo. We are 35 days to the end of 2025, and very soon, in another 36 days, we'll be saying Happy New Year, welcome to 2026. So I've decided, with your support and with your cooperation, I'll do a series of teaching. We will start with 2025, review 2025. I call it reflection. Let's reflect on the activities of 2025. Then we will project into 2026 and set goals and targets for 2026. Let me give you a very simple example. At the beginning of this year, for those who were in my class, I told them that my target is to speak to 25,000 people, 25,000 entrepreneurs, in Nigeria and across Africa. Trust me, by end of August, September, I had maxed out on that number. In one of those engagements, I spoke to over 3,000 people in one room. At the beginning of the year, I never had an idea of how it was going to look like, but it came to pass. So what I'm saying is that if you are intentional, if you set smart goals, you can always achieve it. Even the elements, the ecosystem, nature navigates towards you. The future still favors the bold. So let's come together, sign up with me, and we will take 3 classes. 1, to reflect on 2025. 2, to position ourselves properly for 2026 and do a smart goal setting and projection of 2026, and let's see how it will end. The story shall be goodly, the story shall be wonderful, the story shall be perfect. Welcome. God bless you.